Kumusta mga kalpanalo? Shoutout po sa inyong lahat dyan, lalo na po sa ating mga dakilang subscribers and viewers. Si Michael B. o mas kilala bilang si Bitoy, ibinahagi nga niya ang kanilang love story ng kanyang asawang si Carolina Bunagan. In an interview with Bernadette Sembrano, Bitoy recalled that they first met as college students, brought together through school activities. Ano kami? Kapareho kami ng school. He shared, kapag kami project sila, plays ganyan, kailangan nila ng actors. Kami kinukuha nila. Doon kami nagkakilala. Bitoy earned his degree in mass communication from Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Maynila. The couple has now been married for 30 years through civil union and 27 years since their church wedding. In the same interview, Carolina described Bitoy as a thoughtful husband. Ang sabi nga ng mga anak ko, ang love language niya is showers you with gifts. Siguro having come from where we did, kapareho kaming humble beginnings naman. Laki siyang tenement, ako naging tundo eh. So we grew up with bare necessities pa, Carolina said. On her message for her husband, Carolina offered a simple but loving reminder. Just keep doing what makes you happy. Kasi kapag masaya ka, mas makakapagpasaya ka eh. Back in February 2, 2023, Bitoy and Carolina marked their 25th wedding anniversary of their church wedding with a renewal of vows. In April of the same year, the couple celebrated the 29th anniversary of their civil wedding. To mark the occasion, Bitoy took to Instagram to reflect on their journey as a couple. Kagaya ng ibang couples, hindi naman kami perfect ni Carolina. Nagtatampuhan din kami. Nag-aaway din kami. Hindi naman kasi joke yung 29 years na pagsasama. At hindi naman kami mga santo. There are times na pasaway din kami pareho. He shared candidly. Despite the challenges, Bitoy emphasized that love and effort had kept their relationship strong. Pero what's important is that we find a way to make our relationship work. We fight for each other because we truly love each other. Yun naman talagang gagawin mo eh. Pagmahal mo, ipaglalaban mo, sabi niya. He added that communication and emotional honesty have been key to their lasting bond. Oo, at times, mag-iiyakan talaga kayo. And it's a good thing. Minsan kasi, kailangan mo talagang i-express yung totoong nararamdaman mo sa kapartner mo. Kung kaya nyong gawin yon, siguradong magtatagal kayo. After naman ng lungkot, natural na bumabalik ang saya. Minsan dumudoble pa. With love and laughter, #may forever talaga, he remarked. Michael B., also known as Bitoy, opened up about the deeply personal reasons behind his passion for toy collecting. Dito na lang muna kalma na lang ating usapan. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa munting channel natin. Hanggang sa muli. Mwah!